The wrong suitcase. Anna stood in the busy airport, feeling both excited and nervous. She was starting her new job in London, and this was her first time traveling alone. Her long brown hair was tied back neatly, and she wore comfortable clothes for the flight. In her hand, she held the handle of her small black suitcase, the one her parents had given her as a graduation gift. Nearby, another traveler was rushing through the crowd. His name was Leo, and he was a musician returning from a concert in Spain. Leo was tall with messy blonde hair and wore a leather jacket. He carried a black suitcase that looked almost identical to Anna's, except for one small detail: his had a faded sticker of a guitar on the back. Both Anna and Leo placed their suitcases on the conveyor belt at the same time. They stood close to each other but didn't speak. Anna was busy checking her passport, while Leo was listening to music through his headphones. Neither noticed when the bags moved side by side into the darkness of the luggage system. After a smooth flight, Anna waited at the baggage claim in London. She watched as suitcases of all colors and sizes moved past on the rotating belt. Finally, a black suitcase appeared. She reached for it immediately, not noticing the small guitar sticker partially hidden by the handle. Tired from her journey, she simply pulled up the handle and walked toward the exit. Meanwhile, Leo was waiting for his own bag. He saw another black suitcase that looked like his, but when he got closer, he realized there was no sticker. He waited until the belt stopped moving, but his suitcase never appeared. He reported the missing bag to the airline, feeling frustrated. His precious guitar picks and sheet music were in that suitcase. Anna took the train to her new apartment. The small studio was clean and modern, with big windows overlooking a quiet street. She placed the suitcase on her bed and opened it, ready to unpack her things and settle in. But what she saw made her freeze. Instead of her neat blouses and skirts, the suitcase was filled with men's clothes, jeans, t-shirts, and a leather jacket. There were also several notebooks filled with musical notes and a small box containing guitar picks of different colors and shapes. "Oh no," Anna whispered. "This isn't mine." She searched for identification but found nothing with an address. The only clue was a concert ticket stub from Madrid with the name Leonardo Marino printed on it. She also noticed that some of the t-shirts had logos of bands she didn't recognize. Anna felt a wave of panic. Her suitcase, with all her important work documents, her favorite clothes, and the special necklace from her grandmother, was gone. She had an important meeting at her new job in 2 days, and she needed her professional attire. She immediately called the airport's lost and found department. They took her information and promised to contact her if anyone reported a missing suitcase matching her description. Meanwhile, Leo was staying at a friend's flat in London. He had received a temporary suitcase from the airline with basic toiletries, but he needed his musical notes. He was composing a new song for an important performance next week. Without his notebooks, he felt lost. He decided to visit the areas where musicians often gathered, hoping he might find inspiration to rewrite his music. He went to Camden Town, known for its music shops and alternative culture. As he walked through the vibrant streets, he noticed a young woman sitting at a cafe, looking stressed. She was studying a map and muttering to herself. This was Anna, trying to distract herself from the suitcase problem by exploring the city. She had decided to visit Camden Market since her new colleague had recommended it. Leo wouldn't normally approach a stranger, but he noticed something familiar on the ground next to her chair, a guitar pick with a unique dragon design. It was exactly like the ones he collected. "Excuse me," he said politely. "That guitar pick, where did you get it?" Anna looked up, surprised. She had brought one of the picks with her, thinking it might help her identify the owner if she asked around. "It's from a suitcase I accidentally took from the airport," she explained. "Are you Leonardo Marino?" Leo's eyes widened. "Yes. That's me. You have my suitcase?" Anna nodded, feeling both relieved and embarrassed. "I'm so sorry. I took it by mistake. My suitcase looks very similar." They decided to go to Anna's apartment to exchange the suitcases. During the train ride, they talked about what had happened. Anna learned that Leo was a professional guitarist, and Leo discovered that Anna was starting her career as a graphic designer. When they reached Anna's apartment, Leo immediately recognized his suitcase sitting by the door. He opened it and sighed with relief when he saw his notebooks and guitar picks. "Thank you for taking care of it," he said sincerely. "Of course," Anna replied. "But now I still need to find my suitcase." Leo thought for a moment. "Let me help you. I know many people in London. Maybe someone has seen it." Over the next 2 days, Leo and Anna searched together. They put up posters in the airport area, visited lost property offices, and asked at local shops. During their search, they discovered they had much in common, both loved art, enjoyed trying new foods, and had a similar sense of humor. Anna found herself looking forward to their time together. Leo was kind and funny, and he made her feel less anxious about her missing suitcase. He even helped her choose new clothes for her important meeting. On the morning of Anna's meeting, there was still no sign of her suitcase. She dressed in her new outfit, trying to feel confident. As she was leaving her apartment, she saw Leo waiting outside. "I wanted to wish you good luck," he said, handing her a small paper bag. Inside was a coffee and a croissant. "Thank you," Anna said, touched by his thoughtfulness. "This means a lot." While Anna was at her meeting, Leo decided to make one more attempt to find her suitcase. He remembered that Anna had mentioned a specific book she was reading, one with a distinctive red cover. She had said it was a limited edition. He went back to the airport and spoke to every staff member he could find. After several hours, one of the baggage handlers remembered seeing a suitcase with a red book inside. It had been set aside in a special storage room because the tag had fallen off. Leo called Anna immediately. "I think I found your suitcase." They met at the airport, and sure enough, there was Anna's black suitcase with her name tag still attached, though it had been hidden under the handle. When she opened it, everything was exactly as she had packed it. "I can't believe you found it," Anna said, her eyes shining with happiness. "Thank you so much. It was the least I could do after you took such good care of my things," Leo replied. To celebrate, they went to a small Italian restaurant near the Thames River. As they watched the boats pass by, Leo admitted, "You know, I'm almost glad you took the wrong suitcase. Otherwise, I never would have met you." Anna smiled. "Me too. It's funny how mistakes can sometimes lead to good things." In the end, both had their suitcases back, but they had gained something much more valuable, a new friendship that was just beginning to grow into something more. London no longer felt like a strange city to Anna, and Leo had found inspiration for his new song, a melody about unexpected meetings and second chances.